There are currently 450 million people worldwide suffering from a mental health illness. This places mental illness as one of the leading causes of ill health and disability. It isn't just adults who are suffering. 1 in 8 children and adolescents in the UK, aged between 5 and 19, has been diagnosed with a mental health disorder. The number of emotional disorders diagnosed in youth has seen an increase of 48% between 2004 and 2017. With such an alarming increase in emotional disorders, this short film will look at one of the most prevalent causes of diseases, which is anxiety. It will place a focus on generalised anxiety disorder and investigate the reasons that children develop the condition. It will look at the treatment available and the long-term outcomes for these individuals.